Your Kia is hiding things from you, not in a sinister way, but in the way that a Swiss Army knife hides a screwdriver and a pair of scissors behind the main blade. You bought the whole tool. You're only using part of it, and the parts you are missing are not minor conveniences. Some of them are genuinely life-changing features that will make you safer, save you money, reduce stress, and completely transform the way you interact with your vehicle every single day. Kia has invested heavily in technology over the past several years, heavily enough that their vehicles now rival luxury brands in terms of what is packed into the software, the driver assistance systems, the connectivity features, and the safety architecture. The problem is that almost none of it gets explained properly at the dealership. The salesperson walks you through the basics, shows you how to connect your phone, maybe demonstrates the sunroof, and sends you on your way with a vehicle that is probably operating at 30% of its actual capability. The 1% of Kia drivers who know what we are about to cover have a fundamentally different ownership experience from everyone else. Their cars respond to them differently. Their morning commutes are smoother, their long road trips are safer, their fuel bills are lower, and when something goes wrong, they handle it calmly because they already know what their vehicle is capable of doing to help them. Today, you are joining that 1%. We are going through 10 secret Kia features that most owners will never discover on their own. And by the end of this, you will wonder how you ever drove without them. Let's get into it. Feature number 1. The hidden highway. Driving assist that practically drives for you. Most Kia owners who have highway driving assist, available on the Telluride, Sorento, Sportage, K5, EV6, and several other recent models, know it exists in a vague, theoretical sense. They may have activated it once, found it slightly nerve-wracking, and turned it back off. What they missed is that highway driving assist on a properly set up Kia is one of the most capable semi-autonomous driving systems available at this price point. And the reason it felt uncomfortable the first time is almost always because the following distance and lane centering sensitivity were never configured correctly for the individual driver. Here is what experienced Kia drivers know. Before relying on HDA on a long highway stretch, you spend 2 minutes in the driver assistance settings menu adjusting the adaptive cruise following distance to your personal preference, typically the 3rd or 4th setting out of 5 for most drivers, and you set the lane centering sensitivity to the medium or high setting depending on how confidently marked the roads are in your area. With these calibrated to you specifically, the system does not feel like it is fighting you. It feels like an extension of your own instincts. On a long interstate drive with HDA active, the system maintains your set speed, adjusts automatically for traffic ahead, steers gently within the lane, and on models with navigation-based smart cruise control, it even reads the map data to automatically slow down before curves, highway exits, and speed limit changes before you would have had time to react manually. The drivers who know this exist arrive at the end of a 4-hour road trip dramatically less fatigued than drivers who handled every input themselves. It is not a gimmick. It is a genuine quality-of-life transformation that the majority of owners leave completely unused. Feature number 2. The mood lighting system that changes the entire cabin atmosphere. This feature lives quietly in the settings of many Kia models from the past 4 years, particularly the Telluride, the EV6, the Sportage, and the K5, and the vast majority of owners have never found it because it is buried 2 or 3 layers deep in the infotainment system rather than promoted through any obvious interface. Kia's ambient interior lighting system is not just a single color selector. It is a full mood-based lighting architecture with dozens of color options, multiple brightness zones, and on higher trim levels, a sync feature that ties the lighting color to the drive mode currently selected. When you activate Sport mode, the ambient lighting shifts toward a deep red. When you are in Eco mode, it moves toward a cool green. In normal mode, it sits at whatever color you have personally set as your preference. This is not just aesthetics for its own sake. Research consistently shows that interior ambient lighting color has a measurable effect on driver alertness and mood, and Kia engineered this system with that in mind. Drivers who use the red ambient setting at night report a reduction in interior glare on the windshield compared to white or blue lighting, which actually improves forward visibility in low-light conditions. To find this feature, you navigate into your climate or settings panel on the infotainment screen. Look for the ambiance or mood lighting section, and from there, the full color palette opens up. Spend 15 minutes configuring it to your preferences, and you will have a cabin environment that feels genuinely premium every single time you get in, something that most owners are paying for in their trim level and never actually turning on. Feature number 3, the Rear Occupant Alert that could save a child's life. This is the feature on this list that carries the most serious weight, and it is the one that most urgently needs to be activated if you have not already done so. Rear Occupant Alert is a safety system available on many Kia models, including the Telluride, Sorento, Carnival, and several others, and its purpose is devastatingly simple. It reminds the driver to check the back seat before leaving the vehicle. The system works through ultrasonic sensors in the rear of the cabin that detect movement after the vehicle is parked and the driver door is opened. If movement is detected in the rear, a child, a pet, anyone who has been left behind, the system triggers an alert through the horn and a notification on the instrument cluster. On models with the UVO Connected Services app, it also sends a push notification directly to your paired smartphone. But here is the critical thing that most owners do not know. This feature must be manually activated in the vehicle settings, and it ships from the factory in the off position on many trim levels. You go into your driver assistance or safety settings in the infotainment menu, find Rear Occupant Alert, and turn it on. You leave it on permanently. Given the documented tragedy of children being left in hot vehicles every summer across the country, this is not optional for any Kia owner who ever has passengers in their rear seats. It takes 30 seconds to activate. There is no reason not to. Feature number 4, the Remote Smart Parking Assist that parks the car without you in it. This is the feature that genuinely stops people in their tracks the first time they see it in action. And yet, the overwhelming majority of Kia owners who have it built into their vehicle have never used it once. Remote Smart Parking Assist, available on the EV6, the Sportage on certain trims, and increasingly across Kia's lineup, allows you to move your Kia forward or backward into a parking space while standing completely outside the vehicle, using only the key fob. The use case that makes this feature invaluable is the scenario that every driver dreads. You pull into a parking space in a tight garage or a crowded lot and realize there is not enough room to open your door wide enough to get out comfortably. With RSPA, you exit the vehicle, close the door, and then press and hold the relevant button on your smart key fob. The vehicle creeps forward or backward into the space by itself, straightening up and stopping at the appropriate distance, while you stand outside with full clearance to walk around to whatever entrance you need. The range is limited, and the speed is deliberately slow for safety, but within those parameters, the system works reliably and smoothly. It is also useful in reverse. When returning to a vehicle that is parked deeply in a tight space, you can pull it forward using the fob before getting in, rather than climbing awkwardly over a center console because the door would not open wide enough. To check if your Kia has this feature, look for the RSPA button in your parking assistance menu, or check your fob for the dedicated control. If you have it and have never used it, you owe it to yourself to try it in an empty parking lot this week. Feature number 5, the driver attention warning that monitors your alertness in real time. Driver attention warning is one of those features that sounds slightly invasive when you describe it, but becomes one of the most appreciated safety systems once you have experienced it working correctly. The system uses the front camera, the same camera that powers Lane Keep Assist, to monitor your driving patterns for signs of fatigue or distraction. It is watching how frequently you make small steering corrections, how consistently you maintain lane position, and how your following distance management compares to your established pattern from the first few minutes of the drive. When the system detects a pattern that suggests the driver is becoming fatigued, reduced micro-correction frequency is the most reliable indicator, since a tired driver stops making the small subconscious adjustments that an alert driver makes constantly. It triggers a warning with a coffee cup icon on the instrument cluster and an audible chime, and recommends that you take a rest break. What most Kia owners do not realize is that this system can be calibrated for sensitivity in the driver assistance settings. The default setting is moderate, but increasing the sensitivity means the system warns you earlier in the fatigue cycle, before you feel subjectively tired, which is precisely when the warning is most useful, because by the time most drivers feel tired, they have already been impaired for some time. Experienced Kia owners on long drives run this system at its highest sensitivity setting and take the coffee cup warning seriously every time it appears, even if they feel fine. The system is frequently right before the driver's conscious assessment catches up. Feature number 6, the sound system tuning mode. Most owners have never touched. Virtually every Kia sold in the past 5 years comes with a sound system that is capable of significantly better audio quality than what it produces on its default factory settings. Whether it is the standard audio system or the premium Bose or Meridian systems available on higher trims, the factory equalization, spatial settings, and volume compensation curves are set to a generic middle ground that is acceptable to the widest possible range of listeners, but optimized for none of them. Experienced Kia owners go into the audio settings in the infotainment system and spend 20 minutes configuring 3 specific parameters. The first is the equalizer, where they adjust bass, mid-range, and treble to match the acoustic character of their specific interior and their personal preference. The second is the balance and fade control, which positions the soundstage toward the front of the cabin, typically a 60-40 front-to-rear fade, creating a more concert-like audio image where the music feels like it is in front of you rather than surrounding you from all angles. The third is the speed-sensitive volume compensation, which automatically increases audio volume as vehicle speed rises to compensate for road and wind noise. Setting this to the medium or high level means your music maintains its perceived volume consistently, whether you are in a parking lot or on the highway, without you ever touching the volume knob. On Kia models equipped with the Bose or Meridian Premium Audio, there is also a spatial sound or surround mode that can be engaged for an even more enveloping listening experience on long drives. Most owners leave this turned off because they never found it. Turn it on. Listen for 30 seconds. You will never turn it off again. Feature number 7. The Vehicle Health Report you can pull up right from the app. This is a feature that sits inside the Kia Connect app, Kia's connected services platform available across most of their recent lineup, and it is one that experienced owners check monthly as part of their ownership routine. The Vehicle Health Report is exactly what it sounds like. You open the Kia Connect app, navigate to the Vehicle Status section, and request a health report. The app communicates with your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system and generates a summary of active fault codes, maintenance items approaching their service interval, and system alerts, all delivered to your phone without you needing to be anywhere near the car. The power of this feature for a Kia owner is the early warning capability. A fault code that is not yet serious enough to trigger a check engine light on your dashboard may already be stored in your vehicle's diagnostic system, and the health report will surface it before it becomes a visible problem. This means you can address developing issues proactively, on your schedule, with time to research the problem and get competitive quotes, rather than walking into a dealership with a dashboard warning and no leverage. The health report also tracks your mileage against service intervals for oil changes, tire rotation, brake inspection, and other scheduled items. And it sends reminders when service is approaching. For owners who manage multiple vehicles on a single Kia Connect account, a household with 2 Kias, for example, this turns into a comprehensive fleet monitoring tool that keeps every vehicle on schedule without any manual tracking. Feature number 8. The Surround View Monitor, trick that eliminates blind spots. Completely. Many Kia owners with the available Surround View Monitor, the bird's-eye camera view that stitches together feeds from 4 cameras around the vehicle into a composite overhead image, use it only when parking. That is leaving the majority of its value on the table. Experienced Kia drivers have discovered that the Surround View system can be activated at low speeds during any maneuver, not just backing into spaces, and the specific camera views it offers are individually selectable in ways that most owners have never explored. When you are navigating a tight urban street, for example, you can activate the front camera view alone to see exactly how much clearance you have ahead of the bumper, useful when nosing into a tight parallel spot or navigating a barrier that you cannot fully see from the driver's seat. When merging in a narrow construction zone, the side camera views give you a ground-level perspective of your vehicle's sides that the mirrors cannot provide. And the transparent hood view available on some Kia models, which uses camera processing to display a virtual view of the ground directly beneath the front of the vehicle, is genuinely remarkable for navigating rocky terrain, steep driveways, and parking garage wheel stops without ever having to guess where your front bumper ends. To access individual camera views, you tap the camera icon on the infotainment screen while the system is active and cycle through the available perspectives. Most owners tap it once to get the overhead view, find that useful, and stop there. The full suite of views is what makes the system transformative rather than merely convenient. Feature number 9, the scheduled departure. Feature on Kia EVers that preconditions everything. For owners of the Kia EV6, the EV9, or any of Kia's plug-in hybrid models, This feature is the one that owners who discover it describe as changing their entire relationship with electric driving, particularly in extreme weather. Scheduled departure is a feature accessed through the infotainment system or the Kia Connect app that allows you to set a specific departure time, and the vehicle uses that information to automatically precondition the battery and the cabin to their optimal states by the time you walk out the door. What this means in practice is profound. On a winter morning where the temperature is below freezing, a Kia EV6 without scheduled departure active will have a cold battery that operates at reduced efficiency and a cold cabin that requires significant energy to heat, all drawing from battery charge that could otherwise be going to driving range. With scheduled departure set for 7 in the morning, the vehicle begins warming the battery and heating the cabin at around 6:30, drawing power from the grid through the charging cable rather than from the stored battery charge. You walk out to a warm car with a fully conditioned battery operating at peak efficiency and your full rated range available from the moment you pull out of the driveway. In summer, the same system pre-cools the cabin and the battery pack, preventing the thermal management system from having to work hard during your drive and preserving range that would otherwise be consumed by aggressive cooling. Experienced EV and PHEV Kia owners never leave home without a scheduled departure set. It is the single biggest practical range and comfort improvement available on these vehicles, and it costs nothing to use. Feature number 10, the safe exit. Warning that prevents door opening accidents. This final feature is one that Kia added quietly to many of their recent models, and that receives almost no attention in any marketing materials. Yet in urban environments and on busy roads, it is genuinely one of the most practically useful safety features the brand offers. Safe Exit Warning uses the rear side radar sensors, the same sensors that power blind spot monitoring while driving, and repurposes them to detect approaching traffic from behind while the vehicle is parked and a door is being opened. When you pull into a parallel parking space on a busy street, turn the engine off, and begin to open your door, the Safe Exit Warning system activates automatically. If a cyclist, a car, a scooter, or any other moving object is approaching from behind in the zone that your mirror cannot show you clearly, the system triggers a warning, a flashing light in the door mirror, and an audible alert before the door opens into the path of the oncoming hazard. On models with the active version of this system, it will even apply resistance to the door opening mechanism to physically slow the door's travel and give you a moment to react. For city drivers, for passengers getting out on the traffic side of the vehicle, and for parents managing children exiting a vehicle near moving traffic, this system is one that many owners only truly appreciate the first time it catches something they did not see. To confirm it is active on your Kia, go into your driver assistance settings and look for Safe Exit Warning or SEW in the list of available features. Make sure it is turned on. In most models, it defaults to active, but it is worth verifying because it is not something you ever want to discover is off after the fact. The bottom line: 10 features, all of them built into vehicles that hundreds of thousands of Kia owners are driving right now without ever knowing this capability exists. That gap between what a car can do and what its owner knows about is exactly what separates the 1% from everyone else. And as of right now, you are on the right side of that line. The highway driving assist that makes long drives genuinely effortless. The Rear Occupant Alert that could save a life. The remote smart parking assist that eliminates the most frustrating parking scenarios. The driver attention warning that keeps you honest on late-night drives. The vehicle health report that keeps you ahead of problems before they become expensive, the scheduled departure that transforms electric ownership in any climate, and the safe exit warning that protects you and your passengers every single time you open a door near moving traffic. These are not future features. They are in your Kia right now, waiting for you to turn them on. Go through your settings this week, one feature at a time, and activate every one that applies to your model. Take 20 minutes. Do it with the owner's manual open if you need it, or come back to this video and pause at each section as you work through your settings menu. The car you have been driving and the car you are about to start driving are the same vehicle. They are just going to feel very, very different from here on out. If this opened your eyes to something you did not know your Kia could do, drop a comment and tell us which feature surprised you the most. Share this with every Kia owner you know, because this is genuinely information they deserve to have. And subscribe, because we have a lot more of this coming. See you in the next one.